I've been doing this now for 17 years. I was the owner's project manager when we were building these schools back in 2010, and we took the extra time to look hard at the floors.
I think the rubber flooring is way better suited for a school than tile flooring. Tile can get slippery, especially when you're coming in from outside from recess, when it's snowy or rainy. We have kids going in head to toe with mud.
We do track in a lot of salt and sand from the outside during the wintertime, but it's very, very easy to clean up and helps us make the school look good.
If you look at VCT, generally salt eats its way in. This, if you look at it with the salt, you can tell that the shine is underneath the salt. And when you run the machine over it or mop it up, but every morning after it's been done, the floor pops and shines.
Kids grab a tub of glitter glue and they'll just dump the whole thing on the ground. The floor, if anything gets on it, it is super easy to pick anything up off.
We do spot mopping throughout the year, and then we wash them over the summer and they just sparkle.
When we get into our summer clean and pull everything out of the rooms and we do our soak and basically pull all the dirt out of the floor with the auto scrubber and then get to high speed buff it, and the floors just pop and it looks brand new.